This is the PAT butter blister packing machine, model PAT-BP-250, designed to produce 8 grams portion packs using PVC blisters and aluminum foil lids. The machine features a thermoforming base with adjustable heating, servo motor stroke control, and a custom rotor pump extrusion filling system for precise butter dosing. It can be configured with either a single or 4-nozzle filling head, based on production capacity and product characteristics. Forming, sealing, bait coating, and punching are all integrated into one compact system with Siemens PLC control and stainless steel contact parts. The printed aluminum lid is sealed onto the thermoformed tray. Pressure-boosted sealing ensures a tight, hygienic bond with clear, professional finish. This machine supports up to 25 cycles per minute, making it ideal for butter, margarine, cheese spreads, and other dairy portion packs. Safety covers, emergency stops, and pre-alarm sensors ensure reliable, GMP-compliant operation in any food production environment. PAT Manufacturing Solutions supports layout design, installation, packaging material sourcing, and technical guidance from consultation to commissioning. PAT Manufacturing Solutions is a trusted partner in food and packaging automation, with offices in Indonesia, China, Singapore, and Ghana, serving clients across emerging markets.